At this time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing here is financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell securities. Trading involves risk. Consult with a licensed financial advisor or tax professional before making decisions. Thank you for watching, and most importantly, thank you for your support. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am your humble host, Bear Tamer, and I am not live and direct, but I am here with another potential rocket. Today is February 7th, 2026, and let's get right to it, guys, because as you know, I want to make these videos shorter, quicker, but that does mean more homework on your part, making sure that you do your due diligence as well. And the ticker we are going to be talking about today is ROLR. Yes, guys, that is roller. And if you guys remember this stock, it had a crazy run, launching from the $1 areas and ended up going to $30+ guys. Okay. Not in one session, but following session definitely went to $30. Okay. So is this setup ready to go crazy? All right. What matters right now, guys, is that float is around 4.6 million shares. That's tiny. The short interest is elevated. It's reported extremely high. That cost to borrow is 150%. Okay. That's painful for shorts right now. And shorts available to short is very limited. It's drying up. Okay. And actually, while I'm here, let me give you those exact numbers here. Okay, so short availability right now, as of February 7th, today is 150,000 shares available to short. Cost to borrow is 158.72%. Again, really high. And then this right here, guys, short interest is 263.19%, guys. That is out of this world high, guys. I haven't seen something like that in a very long time, guys. So this has the makeup of a huge potential squeeze. Okay, we're gonna go with the float and short setup. Okay, this is the fuel. Insiders own 75%, which means that locks up the supply. Institutions only own 0.3%, so no big hands selling yet. Recent offering is already done. There's no surprise dilution. Right, stock is trading well below that $13.21 offering price that happened a few weeks back. All right, so shorts are pressing after dilution's already been absorbed. Okay, so supply shock risk if volume returns. Okay, so the recent news, obviously they have multiple LOIs signed. That is letter of intents. They have one with lines.com, Forever Network, and Leverage Game Media. So what I'm looking for is a follow-up for those negotiations going from letter of intent to binding to deals that are actually getting done, that are locked in. And obviously they have their partnership with crypto.com, regulated US prediction markets, 2026 product launch planned, okay, in Q1. So Q1 of 2026 is January, February, March. Again, we are at the beginning of February. We do have until the end of March. That is still considered the first quarter, but expecting that to launch very soon. So bottom line, this setup is primed for a binary move. The fuel is there. The float is tight. The short pressure is real. The trigger that we need is volume plus continuation news. So that's what I'll be on the lookout for. I'll be looking out for fresh news, fresh updates, again, with all these letters of intent, anything new that they might be doing that can spark a ton of volume. That is what I'm going to be looking for on a daily basis, because again, guys, this thing is poised to go big if we get tremendous volume coming in. All right. So bottom line, the setup is prime for a binary move. Okay, guys, the fuel is there. The float is tight. The short pressure is real. When it fires, it will not be polite. Of course, guys, you know what I'm about to follow up with, right? Please ensure that you are doing your due diligence. Double check all the information I just shared with you guys. Most importantly, do not just go off and buy it, guys. Make sure it's something that you love after you've done your research. If it's something that aligns with your trading strategy, then you can do whatever it is that you want to do. But at the very least, what I will ask you to do is put it on a watch list. So if that move happens, you are not missing out and you understand what's going on behind that move. Okay. And with that being said, guys, I am Bear Tamer and I will catch you on the next potential rocket.